Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I changed the color. I decided to do the watercolor and I just add 2 rinse colors. I'm going to show you everything that I use. I'll show the 2 rinse colors here and it will be through the video. Just watch the video. It's really quick and it literally took 5 minutes and I let it dry overnight like I did for the top. The top, I already have a video on how I did the roots and how I toned the blonde hair to get this ash blonde. But yes, I really love this. Oh my God. But I used an inch curling iron to get these curls. I just took them by little sections, curl it, pin it, and took it down after 15 minutes of letting it cool down. So yes, I really hope you guys like this video. I love this style. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm just having a great time just, you know, dyeing hair. What other color you guys would like me to do? Let me know down in the comment. In the video, I did shampoo the hair a couple times just because the rinse was coming out a lot and I did not want it to seep through the ash blonde part. So, and I washed it together. You'll see in the video how I did everything, yeah. But it's really simple. Like, I'm loving it.
Mastercraft on the beat. Let's go. Woo! Sarkodie. What else? W. Ready? One now. Bad girl, come wine, pon the ting, pon the ting, pon the ting. Bad girl, come sit down, pon the ting, pon the ting, pon the ting. Bad girl, come here, give me some becky. Chat, you go kill me, Charlie. Bad girl, come here, give me some becky. Chat, you go kill me, Charlie. I hear my jana with channel na me minimum life. Uncradin bonyaka won't pass your man from traumatized. I hit you in the morning, hit you the same in the night. When it was
This time I just add a little bit of water because now we are just gonna do the end. And I'm gonna be using the darkest brown. I'm gonna put, I keep forgetting that they put a lid on it now. Before I never used it. It looks black, but it is a darkest brown. I didn't want black. So it's gonna be like a chocolate brown. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, it looks really black, but we'll see. A little bit more. That's it. Because it's just for the ends. But I'm still going to check to see if it's the color. Yeah, it looks black. It doesn't even look doesn't even look brown, but that's okay. So you can still dye the hair even while it's wet. So I'm just putting the ends. This is how much I'm just going to put. And I'm going to put it in like this. Tilted from the back more so than when I did it to the front. And we're just dipping it. Dipping it, dipping it. I have to get the front a little bit. Okay, yeah, just dipping it. I don't know if you could see it, but it's looking good. Just dip it. This is a 16-inch, but I cut like, I think 2 inches. An inch and a half maybe. Now it's time to wash the hair. Before you dip the whole wig in your bowl or however you wash your hair, this is how I always wash my wigs, my bundles, whatever. I'm going to be using the All C shampoo. Make sure you shampoo the end first because you don't want the color to get to the roots. So I'm just putting some shampoo on the bottom. You see how color is dripping? It would have got all in the roots. Just, you know, get the color out first before you try to shampoo the whole hair. I don't even think I might even shampoo it all together. I might do a separate part, but I just wanted you guys to know this is how I'm going to be shampooing the hair, just so I don't get any color on top. I should have darkened my roots. Maybe I'll do it. water out. Let's do one more pump. You see there's still color coming out. So I really hope this video was helpful for anyone that tried to achieve this color, this style. I love it. It's something like I've been wearing through the time that I've been home. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification button to get notified whenever time I post a video. And if you guys like to share this video, go ahead, share on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Bye.